I would say to somebody that's at their worst time, just go and have the conversation. Just go and start those steps because it will really change your life.
There is hope out there. There is help at ClearChoice.
Whatever you're doing, come in, take the initiative to start and get it done. It's gonna be a great journey. No worry, no stress, no regret. You deserve to have a great smile.
There are a lot of regrets in my life. ClearChoice is not one of them. Joy is what I see when I look in the mirror today. Thanks to ClearChoice.
The joy that I have in my heart for what ClearChoice did for me, I cannot thank them enough for what they gave back to me.
Definition of joy is ClearChoice.
But you owe it to yourself to come in and have the conversation.
Don't waste time because life is too precious. It really is. And get off the couch. Make a phone call.